Hello and welcome to Driver's Habits. Today I'm going to show you how to change the oil to your vehicle and of course the oil filter. First you need to locate the drain pan. So slide under the car and here you see the drain bolt you need to unscrew. Place an oil pan to collect the old oil and with the wrench unscrew the drain bolt. Remove the bolt completely and let the gravity do all the work. Clean the drain bolt with a paper towel and check the washer. This is an example of a bad washer, so definitely you need to replace it. And sure, you need to replace this washer every 3 or 4 oil changes. Now, with the new washer on, slide under the car again and you see that the oil stops draining. So, your engine is completely empty. Place the bolt and screw it by the hand until it stops turning. Remove the oil pan and use the wrench to tighten the bolt only a quarter of a turn. Now it's time to remove the old oil filter. In this case it stands under the intake manifold. So grab and unscrew it. The new oil filter comes with a plastic cover you need to remove. Apply some oil to the gasket to help you tighten the new filter and untighten the next time you want to replace it. So, place the oil filter and tighten only by the hand. Do not use any other tool. Remove the oil cap and fill the engine with oil. In the user's manual you can see how many liters your engine takes. For this vehicle the manual says 3.8 liters. And if you want to be sure, pull out the dipstick and check the oil level. You see the level is under the F, which means in this point the engine is full of oil. So place the dipstick, add a little more oil and check again the oil level. Place the oil cap and start the car. Make sure the oil light is off while the engine running. Everything's good, the engine runs smooth, you're done. Thanks for watching, I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or subscribe for more videos.